Hey guys, today we're going to be talking about how to change our Wix website to WordPress. So this is if you already have a Wix website you like, you just want to transfer it over to WordPress. So we're going to have our Wix site and our WordPress open. At the WordPress dashboard here, we're going to go over to the left side and scroll down to Tools. Under Tools, you'll see an Import button. That's what we need. Press Import. These are all the places you can import content from, but since we're importing from Wix, let's just click on Wix. They make this really easy. You can just enter the URL of your Wix site. So let's go over here, copy the URL with Control-C, Command-C, and or right-clicking and copying. Go back over to our WordPress, enter the URL where it asks, press Continue. So by pressing Continue, this will take you this will import that Wix page into WordPress. As you can see, it's taking a little bit of time to load. Is this your site? Yes, it is. It will import the static pages. Yes, import. So if your Wix site has some animation on it like this, it won't be able to import that, but it will import the static pages that are not moving. So it'll take a little bit of time. All right, sweet. So that's done loading. So our content has been imported. Let's view our site and make sure it came. Perfect. So as you can see from this site, it imported the titles, these pages, everything we needed. Obviously, we're going to want to switch some things around, but this achieved us taking our Wix website and turning it into